Now, in this section, discussing about the another important problem, that is sum of subsets by using backtracking in analysis of algorithm. So previous section it is discussed about n-queens problem. N-queens problem by using backtracking. Now it is sum of subsets problem. So for whatever that for this problem also by constructing the state space tree into formulations, you can get find out the solution, that is by using backtracking procedure. Backtracking procedure. So let's see. So let's see here what is the sum of subset problem. For example, this is one example. Given n positive integers, n positive integers are given. So that nothing but here n items. So W is nothing but weight of the item I. Okay. So like that WI, W12 and so on WN. So that is, and M is the sum, total sum. So what is the my problem? The problem is that find all the subsets of Wi whose sum is equal to M. Okay. So for example, you see here the number of item is 4 and the weight of each item is W1, that is W1, W2, W3, W4 is it is represented like that. So the weight of first item will be 11, second item will be 13, and third item will be 24. Fourth item will be 7, and the M equal to 31. So I want to find out the what are the weights of which items. Some of the items that should be equal to 31. It is not compulsory all the items to be included. So depends on. For example, for the I want to some of the items, some of the some items should be equal to 31. So I have two solutions. That is the 11, 13, 7. 11 is the weight of the first item. 13 is the weight of the second item, and 7 is the weight of the fourth item. In the same way, 24, 7. So weight of the third item and weight of the fourth item. So 24 plus 7, 31, it is equal. These are the two solutions we know. Okay. If you want to represent it in the form of the solution as in the indexing, like this also. So 1 comma 2 comma 4, first index, second index, and fourth. That means considering the first item, second item, and fourth item weights. Okay, and the second one is third and fourth. Okay, so like this also I can represent. Another way also there, that is representing with the binary values. Okay, so that is like this. It is like this. Suppose for this solution, it will be 1, 1, 0. Third item weight I am not considering, and fourth item 1. Okay, whereas here it is first item I am not considering, so it is binary value 0, and second item also 0, and third item I am considering, so 1, binary value 1, and fourth item 1. So this is also a solution. This we'll see in our problem. Okay, so that is, yes, and yes, here the different solution may have different size tuples. Different solution may have different size tuples. If I represent with indexing, so the size is 3 and here it is 2. Okay, whereas previously I represent with the binary values that are the fixed size. One is the 1101, 1101, and for this, and 0011 for the second solution. Okay, so that is, and now let's see. The same way in an n-queens problem, we have some constraints, explicit, implicit. Like that only here also explicit, implicit constraints. Here I already told you that explicit constraint uh, requires xi to be an integer. Okay, xi to be an integer. So I can take maybe the explicit constraints may be this one or this one, or maybe by representing with the binary values, one for this 1101 and this one 0011. So So whatever that we have the different decisions is there, only two are the solutions that are the explicit constraints. Okay, implicit constraints, see here, implicit constraint. If I take the item indexings 1 to 4 means I should not repeat with 1, 4, 2, same, okay, same items, but in order changes. So this is the implicit constraint. Okay, in order to get the sum should be equal to double M. Okay, so next one is that this is the state space tree construction by using algorithm tracing. I constructed the state space tree for this problem. The problem which it is shown first problem for this only state space tree construction. Okay, so this is the state space tree. So for this having, yes, whatever represented two solutions, na? So these are the two solutions. This is the two solutions, A and B. I'll tell you that, including, let I explain in with after the another important example is there. After that, I'll discuss this one. We'll discuss. Okay, let's see. So this is one formulation of solution to get. How it is getting by tracing the algorithm only, we are getting this. Okay, and another formulation of the this sum of subset problem. So one is the variable size tuple representation. Another one, this is the fixed size. Fixed size. Okay, this is the fixed size. So suppose here I am taking. So I got two solutions for my problem. So what is that? 1, 0, 1. Okay. First item, second item weight, third item not including fourth item weight are 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Suppose if I see this one here, you see this. So yes, first item weighting is included. Second item weight is also included. See, first item, second item weight, third item not included. So this is third item not included, and fourth item is included. Fourth item weight is included. So this is the fourth item weight. Oh. Yes, sorry. So this is the fourth item weight. Sorry, this one, not this one. This is not. So finally the solution will be this is this one. So this side. Again, I'll try this. Finally, the solution will be this one. So first item, second item weight, and not including third item, fourth item weight. Yes. Another solution, I told you that this is the first solution, 110, first problem. This is the solution for the first problem. And second problem will be, the second problem solution is including the third and fourth item. So this is the solution. First item not included, second item not included, and third item is included, and fourth item is included. So this is the solution for this. So this is equal to 31 for the first problem. I'm telling 31 I will get. So out of how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Out of 16, 2 are the solution. Lead to the 2 leaves lead to the solution. Leaf nodes lead to the solution. Remaining leaf nodes are not the solutions. That are the decisions. Out of 16 decisions, 2 decisions lead to a solution that is equal to 31. Okay, this is a fixed size. This is the fixed size fixed size tuple representation. This is another formulation of solving the problem by constructing the state space tree by using backtracking. Whereas this one, variable size tuple representation will be discussed with another example by tracing the algorithm. Okay, there are 2 ways we can do it, either fixed size or variable size. Okay, now let's see. So this is a fixed size. I already told you that this is the solution. I can represent it. I already shown that. Okay, the solution space contains 2 power of n distinct tuples. That meaning that n if equal to 4 means 4 items means 2 to the power of 4 means 16. Out of 16, 2 are the 2 decisions lead to a solution. So that is over, and we'll see another. This is the algorithm. Simply, I briefly tell you what it will do. This algorithm sum of subset finding out S. Actually, sum of subset finding out S every time by constructing the node, constructing the state space tree. Each node, the S value changes. Wherever S value is equal to M, so there we stopped that node generation. That is the thing. In a variable size tuple representation, this algorithm is used. Okay, so that is we'll explain with the example later. So, but you have to know overview. So for left side generation, these are the statements. These are the statement means if it is found, this is the solution. This is if it is found. Okay, and otherwise to generate left side, this is the statement. Okay, and if it the left side is over, is not true, then it go to the right side. Right side generating the node. This is the statement we are using. How we are calling the right side means, so by using this recursive function, sum of subset s comma k plus 1 comma r minus w of k. Whereas for left side generation of the node, I am calling this function. Okay, if both are fail means this will be true. If this will be true, solution is found, and we are backtracking back to the previous function. Okay, like that. That means previous node while constructing the state space tree. This will be understood with the example only. Okay, and now that is, so I can call with the sum of subset 0 comma 1 comma the summation of weights. Later we'll see that example. Let's see, this is the example. So this example, previously only the 4 items. Now this time I am taking the 6 items. Okay, so 6 item weights with the weights. So whatever the sum of subset should be equal to 30. Not all the 6 items should be equal to 30. Here sum of the subsets. Okay, this will be for this problem constructing the state space tree, variable state space tree by using that algorithm. First, I will explain how the state space tree constructed. Okay, without tracing the algorithm. First, after that tracing the algorithm, how we are constructing. That is also we'll see. That is also we'll see. You know, I want to know the 3 terms. One is the S. S is the sum of subset, and K is the iteration, and R is the sum of the elements. Okay, after K in the original set. Okay, we'll see here. S. Initially, some set S subset, sum of subset is 0. Okay, and K is the iteration. This is first iteration. First time starting. First level always will be the first iteration. Second level it will be second iteration. That will understand while constructing the state space tree. Here R. R is the nothing but sum of elements, sum of the weights of the elements. That is 5 plus 12, 10 plus 12 plus 13, 13 is 73. So S is 0, K is 1, and 73. R is 73. This is the first node, root node. I can say it as, we can say it as a root node. So that is step 2. The step 2 description we'll see. In step 2. In step 2 description we'll see. 1 meter. It is not showing. Okay. Step 2. Here, suppose if I include the weight of this is the initial node, root node. If I include the weight of first item, that is 5, while branching, this side is branching. So in this branching, we have to add that s value with the weight of the first item. So that will be 5. 0 plus 5, it is 0 plus 5. Okay, 5. S will become as 5, comma. This is the second level. Second iteration. Here also see right side also second level. Yes, here 73 and become as 68. How it is become means I need to decrease with the weight, first item weight. So first item weight, then I will get the answer 68. 68. Okay. So here third argument in this right side, left side node, child node, generated node 68. In the same way, right side also 68. So here only changing term is that, yes, here also how it is, let's see that later. Second and third argument of node in the same level are the same values. Here 2, here also 2, right side also 2. So that is so right side is also true. And now so here suppose if I'm not include the first weight of the first item, that will be 5. So s is 0, initial it is 0 only because I'm not including the weight of the first item, that is 5. So in second, this will be second iteration, but anyhow in the second level we need to decrease with the weight of first item, so 68. So in first branching, first item we are checking whether included or not. So like this we are getting generated nodes are left side this one and right side will be this one. Okay, same process will be recursively applying for the from second level, third level, fourth level also. Let's see how many levels will take. Maximum 6 only, maximum 6. More than that me. Okay, branching is 6, levels is 7 will get. Okay, let's see now. So the first level, second level we constructed up to this, we completed. And now from this, if I want to include the second item, that will be, so second item 10. 5 already S will be updated value is 5. Second item if included 5 plus 10, 15, and it will be third iteration. And you need to decrease the, when coming from second level to third level, so need R value changed. That means 68 to 58. How means decreasing the weight of the second item. 68 minus 10, 58. 58 will get. Okay, I already told you that this two terms is same in this side, this side also. Okay, fine. So that is, and next, suppose if I am not included, first item is included, uh, second item is not included means after including first item it will be S value will be 5. It is not included second item means that is here the right child for this node, right child generated right child will be that S value will not change 5 only because not included the second item. This is third iteration and 58 how it is getting, you know that when coming from second level to third level decrease with R value with second item weight 10. So that is, suppose if you come to this side, first item here, first item is not included, second item is included, so second item weight 10, so 0 plus 10, 10, third iteration. And you know that 68 minus 10 is 58, yes, as usual. And suppose if I'm not included, right side shall generate how, if I'm not included the second item, and then 0 become 0 only, it will become third iteration and 58. 68 minus 10, 58. Yes. So this is the third step happening. Okay. Stay until we find out the solution. Let's see how generating the nodes until we find out the solution. Let's see. Fourth step. Whatever the theoretical matter is about description only about that description how it is generating the left side and right side childs. That is only. Let's see. This two up to this level is over. So now let's come to the next level. Let's see. Here here, suppose first item is included, second item is included. This is the generated node skr value. If I included a third item also, it will be 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12 means 27 and fourth iteration. So I need to decrease with the third item weight. So that is 58 minus 12. How much? 46. Okay. Here, so in this level we know KIR values. Okay, for every node, KR values will be 446. Here also 446. Here also 446. 446. Here also same. Here also same. Here also these two are same. Okay, here 27. Okay, here it is 27. This is why it is red mark means we can't generate it. If I can't generate. Why I can't generate? Why I can't generate? See this one. If I want to generate, one minute, just if I want to generate, so but actual weight is 27 up to including the three item weights. So what happened here? Uh, what happened here? So here including third one means that means 27 plus fourth item. Generating means including the weight of the fourth item that will become 40. That will become 40, which is greater than m. I already told you that. So should be less than or equal to m. Should be. It is so it is false. That means bounding by using bounding function. We check it out. No need to generate. So here only stop. Here only it is stop because if you want to generate, it will be 40. So here we stop it. Okay, not generating the other thing items. So finally, what will happen? So it will be 40 will come. So before yearly only finding out if generating means it's not lead the solution means. So we stop here. So by using bounding function, we here yearly only. Yearly means before only stopping the generating of the node in the next level. Here I stop by using this bounding function by checking condition that the sum of the weights less than or equal to m. If it is not crosses means stopping the generation of the node. Okay, so that is and now let's see here. This side it will be for this right side. I'm not included third weight, so 15 is same. Fourth iteration 46. We know this. Suppose if I go this side 5 3 58, we know that. So if I include the third item weight, that meaning that including the first item, not including second item, but third item weight I included. So it will be 5. First item weight 5 plus third item weight 12. That means 17 here. 4 6 is common. If not included, that only first item is included. Second item, third item not included mean that 5 weight only. First item weight only here. Nothing is changed. The fourth iteration, but it is 46. 58 minus 12 is 46. Okay, so like this, and come to this point. Come to this point. Yes, and come to this point. Here I generated right side. It is generated. Uh, right side I'm taking. Yes, 22. Yeah. Here we'll see that final answer also. Let's see this. Yes. Okay. Here it is right side is included, left side is not taking. So that is third item made. Let's see that because we can generate, but generating is also a little useful solution, not useful solution. That's why it is stop here this side. If generated means I will get the left side will be 10 plus 12 means 22 only. Here we'll get it 22, comma 4, comma 46 we'll get. But after that unable to generate. That's why here only stop. And instead of constructing, uh, instead of constructing this side, including the weight of third item, it will be become as 10 plus third item means 12. 22 will come and 4 comma 46. This also will get it, but not constructed actually. Here is not constructed. Actually need to write, but not constructed. But here only this for this also same like this. It stops here. That's why it is not generated. From here on it is stopped. Actually, based on the tracing algorithm, so need to mention this also. This one also need to mention. Here need to stop, but before only stopping, generating to the left side. Okay, so that is not a problem. And let's see. And this side I'm not included the weight of third atom. 10 is same, and this is same. Come to this side. Here I'm not included first atom, second atom, but third atom I included. Third atom weight is 12. 0 plus 0 plus 12. That means 12, comma 4, comma 46. If I not included a third atom also means then it will be again 0. Right side will be 0, 4, 46. If included the third item, it means 12, 4, 46. 12, 4, 46. So that is, and let's see. So this is the fourth level generating. Still not getting the solution. Let's see. Like this construction of the, like this, the state space variable size state space T is constructed. Okay. So final state space tree diagram is this one. So this is, so after this fourth level, fifth level is also taking this one because it is stopped here. So I'm not generated here. Here also not generating. This side we stop here only. So finally got the solution as yes. What is the solution? 1 minute. This is the solution. One solution is finally got by after construction, final construction of this variables size tuple, the variable size tuple state space tree. And another solution is for this, including first item weight, second item weight, and not including third item weight, and not including the fourth item weight, and including the fifth item weight. Let's see how the A will be. Fifth item weight is here not writing. So that will taking A. That meaning that this one I can write as, say here. So A as I'm returning as this no as like a note, it will be 30. Fifth item after including the fifth item weight, fifth item weight will be this one. Up to now 15 is there. 15 plus 15, 30, comma, and sixth iteration, and it will be 18. Here it is stopped. This is the answer. Answer I got as, here this 30 is nothing but S equal to M. S equal to M. Yes. That's why it is stopped here. Here it is stopped here. Another level also there. Down for A not constructed. Here stopped here. So because the solution is found. After that backtracking. I am finding out the solution. Another solution is, this is first, one solution. Another solution is, so including this this is the another solution, including the weight of first atom, that is 1. 1 weight is 5. It is including, not including the second item weight, so that's weight is 0, and including the weight of the third item, that is third item 12, and including the weight of fourth item, third item and fourth item. So remaining 5, 6 item weight is 0, 0 only. So that meaning that fourth item. Yes, CC here. So what the answer? 5 plus 12. 5 plus answer it is 5 plus 12 plus 13. 12 plus 13, 25 plus 5, 30. So that's why the B will be the B answer is. So B answer is I'll write it. B answer will be, I am writing here. It will be with constructing this one. So B answer will be, so S will be 30 will get. K will be which iteration, which level it is? Yes, fifth iteration. Fifth iteration. And 33. Last will be decreasing. After that, decreasing with the weight of fourth item, it will be 33. So there, here it is stop here. So what, by including first item weight, third item weight, and fourth item weight. That's why I represented with binary values. This is the solution actually representing. Okay, so this is the B. And next one is, the solution is, so this is the one. So another solution, here it is including the weight of, not including the weight of first item. And here not included. And not including the weight of second item. Yes, it is 0 again. And including the weight of third item, that will be, oh, let's see now. Not included, so this is not included. And including the weight of the third item, that is 12. Yes, it is included. And not including the weight of fourth item, so this is not here. There is no space, that's why it is showing like this. Actually this is like this, it should show like this. And also not including the weight of that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth item also. And finally including the weight of sixth item. So C will be the fifth after including the sixth item. So it will become, so 12 plus 18, 12 plus 18, it will be 30. Yes. So C will be 30 here, 30 and comma here sound iteration. C will be 30, S will be 30, K will be the sound iteration, R will be 18 minus 18, 0. Here in, so as a node, it is, this is the answer as a node. This is the last level actually, last level. Okay, we are taking sixth item also, so that's why last level. So this is about the solution to get this one, A and B and C. This explanation is given in the next page. See this. Whatever discussion, the explanation, here it is given. You see, that is only explanation. If you represent with the actual solution, will be like this binary values. If including the weight means binary one value 1. If not including the weight of that particular item, it is 0. Okay, like this. Here the three items, first, second, and fourth item is included. That's why binary value is 1. Others are 0. Here it is first and third and fourth is included. Others are 0 only. That's why it is binary ones, and others are zeros. Here it is third item and sixth item is included. Remaining not included. That's why binary values and 0 and 1s. Final answer will be 30. Final answer will be 30. So this is about the sum of subset problem. The same thing can be constructed for this problem also. First problem I told that how we constructed the variables tuples as represented for first problem. So for first problem also same procedure is applicable. Okay, same procedure is applicable by constructing the state space tree by taking skr. Here also same thing. Here S will be 0 and first iteration R some R will be, sorry, it is one thing is that here R will be not 5, it is 44. R will be format 18. It is 44. It is R will be 44. Yes, 44. See, some of the items weights now. 44 or something. Sorry, not 44. Like one thing. I want to clear this. First of all, tell. So first, some of the weights not 44. 11 plus 13, 24 plus 24 plus 48, 48 plus 7, 55. Yes, here it is 55. That's why. So forget to write that 55. It is total weight is 55, not 44. 55. So if decreasing 44 in second level, decreasing with the weight of first item. So 11. So same procedure applicable for here also. After construction, I get the answer A and B. Okay. So this is, so if I included, then level will be added as the second iteration and decrease with the first item weight. So 44. So like that. If not included, 0 only to 44. Like this, I am going to construct. Okay, here it is, from here it is stopped means, because after generating the any node means chain, so it crosses the weight 31. That's why it stopped here. Here also same thing. Left side is not done. Here it is here only, not done. This side also not done. Okay, this side also not done. So here left side's only generated. Finally, this will be the answer. Okay. Same procedure is applicable for here also. Whatever the second problem we discussed, first problem also, same procedure to construct this variable size state space tree. This is a solution. These are the second formulation. Okay. So that is in the exam point of view. So we'll ask you the variable size tuple representation is better one to construct. For the 4 items, either we can construct with variable size tuple or fixed size state space tree, fixed size state space, variable size tuple state space tree or fixed size state space tree. So we can construct also, we can also construct this one also fixed size. Only for limit is 4 items. Only for 4 items. If it is 6 items means better to go for the variable. So for 6 item, a step by step manner I need to explain. Finally, need to construct this state, this tree. So in the exam point of view, variable tuple size state space tree. Okay, is the better for if the number of items is 6 to find out the sum of subsets which is equal should be equal to m means this is the better to construct in step by step procedure need to explain along with the algorithm. Along with the algorithm. So this is the thing, and another thing, this is the task to trace this one. The algorithm, based on this algorithm, I traced this one. This based on the algorithm it is traced. So actually it is starting here onwards. From here, how it is calling, how I am generating. So this is the task to your task to analyze this, how I am constructing. Okay, how I am constructing. This is only based on the algorithm. The algorithm only 1 minute. Okay, based on the algorithm that is here. This is the algorithm. Based on this algorithm only. Here algorithm are taken here. What is taken? SKR values only. Based on this only constructing the each node having SKR values constructing. So this is for left side node generation, and this is for right side. If any solution is found, I need to print and I traverse back. So this is the statement. So this is for left side. This is for right side. So recursively calling means left side. This one. This is a recursive calling right side. If the condition both checking conditions. If both conditions fail means before only this condition true means I'm just displaying that array. This array contains the binary values. Okay. First time initially if I take left side means 1. Otherwise if I'm not take right side means s of k equal to 0 and generating the right child. Here it is s equal to 1 and checking condition. If it is failed, then again generating the checking this condition and generating the left side. So based on this algorithm only, so this one is constructed variable size tuple representation, that is state space tree, that is for state space tree, and or that is also based on that algorithm this is constructed. And finally, so I need to explain with, so then what are the solution, how we are getting this is compulsory. An exam point of view, each stepwise need to discuss each stepwise with algorithm and description and algorithm and the example. For example, in step-by-step procedure with the final state space tree, variable tuple, variable size state space tree, and with this solution. So this is about sum of subset problem by using backtracking. So this is our task to analyze this algorithm, analyze the steps, that is. And another examples, another way of constructing the state space tree. This is the example, one of the example. Just I will show that. Instead of taking skr value, here I need to take ks s value only. I'm considering here only considering s value only. So first level to second level, I am adding the first item weight. Right side, we know that left side. So that's why adding. And come to the right again left side. It is 5 plus 6. Here 5, 6, 11. Again, if I consider third item weight means I added that 10 also. 11 plus 10, 21. Yes, 21 is equal to m. So here I stop. The solution is found. Okay. Otherwise, this side if I go, it's 11 not taken considering, and to, fourth item 11, 11 plus 11, 22. So it crosses the 21. So that's why I stopped here. Like this, same as previous examples what I discussed, but only considering the in each node is placing only the s values. If s value is equaling, here stop. This is the one solution I got, and this is another solution I got from this, and this is another solution. So what is a short answer? If it is a short answer, means simply construct this test specially with these solutions. The 5 marks like that. So another example. This is also another example. Okay, example 2 and example 3. So this is the farmer checking. Okay, this is a non-promising, that is bounding function we are checking, and stop here. So they are already seen in the algorithm. Yes, fine. This is about sum of subset problem by using backtracking. Compulsory, it is one of the important problem. Okay, so different variety of problem solving, then it is easy to understand completely. So next topic, next section, we'll discuss about graph coloring. Another important problem can be solved by using backtracking, that is graph coloring. So in the previous section discussed about sum of subset problem, previous NPNs, and previous introduction to backtracking. Okay, next section we'll discuss about graph coloring. Okay, so this is going to close the section. I'm going to close the section.